Do you know that sunscreen is the most important step in everyone's skincare routine? My favorite Ellana product is this Clean Screen SPF 50 Oil Control Mineral Sunscreen. I like this new and improved formula because it's tinted for the minimal white cast. Used regularly, sunscreen helps prevent sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. I also have sensitive skin, so chemical sunscreens can sting. That's why I choose this physical mineral sunscreen because it is made with ingredients that are safe even for pregnant or breastfeeding women like me. I also appreciate its lightweight formula and it really absorbs fast. Its high SPF 50 is the best choice against the harsh sun in our tropical climate. So try this now and order from the Ellana website. Happy summer!